Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in granite crystal metallic. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, SEATBACK video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 902658.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.